Okay, welcome back. Today's exercise 11.2 and two lines intersect each other. Two lines, equation of two line in Cartesian coordinate form. And so x minus 1 upon L1, this is are also given in the NCERT book. A perpendicular condition n1 n2 plus m1 m2 plus n1 n2 equal to 0, or direction ratio a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to 0 for perpendicular two lines to each other. L1 L2 parallel condition a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 are equal, and first equation passing through a point are equal to vector a plus lambda vector b in the vector form, and the Cartesian form are already given: x minus x1 upon L1, y1 minus y1 upon m1, and z minus z1 upon n1, right? Two are decision coordinate and sorted distance already given, and in vector two lines L1 plus lambda 1 L b1 and a2 vector a2 plus mu vector b2, and this angle between two lines b1 b2 dot upon magnitude of b1 dot b2, and sorted distance b1 cross b2 dot a2 minus vector a1 upon magnitude of vector b1 cross vector b2. Okay, and Cartesian form x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1 a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 upon under root b1 c2 minus b2 c1 plus c1 a2 minus c2 a1 and plus a1 b2 minus a2 whole square, right? This is whole square and this is also whole square. Yeah, now let exercise 11.2. okay, now wait of it, start question number 1, right? Two lines are perpendicular to each other and DC is also given. DCs are given 3 upon 13 minus 4 upon 13 and 12 upon 13, and 12 upon 13 minus 3 upon 13 minus 4 upon 13 and 4 upon 13, 12 upon 13 and 3 upon 13. We can take only two equations. Now first condition L1 L2, L1 12 upon 13, M1 minus 3 upon 13 and N1 equal to minus 4 upon 13. Same, L2 equal to 4 upon 13, M1 12 upon 13 and N2 equal to 3 upon 13. So now letting L1 L2, M1 M2 and N1 N2 equal to 0 for perpendicular. L1 perpendicular L2. L1 first line equation perpendicular to second line. Clear? So putting this value 12 upon 13 into 4 by 13 plus minus 3 by 13 multiply 12 by 13 plus minus 4 by 13 into 3 by 13, this is equal to 48 upon 13 multiply 13, take LCM, minus 36 minus 12, this will be equal to 48 minus 48 upon 13 multiply, then 0 upon 13 multiply 30 equal to 0. So therefore L1 L2 M1 M2 N1 N2 satisfy equal to 0 are perpendicular. Okay, proof. And second part and third part already given, second and third. Okay, and third and first. Okay, we can solve also this time. Now let question number 3. So that the point passing through the point 4, 7, 8 and 2, 3, 4 is parallel to minus 1, minus 2, 1 and 1, 2 and 5. So this line A coordinate A and B, and this is C and D also. So find AB line segment. तो पारस AB, तो B minus position vector B minus position vector A. You know, study. So B minus A. The vector DRS, direction ratios of AB. So 2 minus 4 minus 2, 3 minus 7 minus 4, 4 minus 8 minus 4. And CD. D 1 minus 1 plus 2 and 2 minus 2, that is 4, and 5 minus 1 4. Okay, parallel, these are parallel. So parallel condition A1 A2 B1 B2 equal to C1 upon C2. This implies minus 2 upon 2 equal to minus 4 upon 4 and minus 4 upon 4. This implies minus 2, this minus 1, this minus 1 equal to minus 1. Therefore, given AB parallel to given line parallel to CD. Okay, AB parallel to CD prove. Means given points are A and B parallel to C and D. Clear? Now let question number 5. Find the equation of the line in vector form and Cartesian form. Cartesian form. Right? So vector and Cartesian form of the passing through the points in vector A equal to 2y minus j and 4k, and is the direction means vector B equal to I plus 2j minus k. So vector form, vector R equal to vector A plus lambda vector B. This is the equation of line in vector form. So this vector R equal to vector A 2y minus j plus 4k plus lambda, and vector B I plus 2j minus k. That's your answer. Okay, in this form is valid if any vector R equal to xi plus yj plus zk. And Cartesian form, use x minus x1 upon L1. So this B vector is also L1 L M N, and vector A is a x y z1. Okay, so x1 y1 and z1 directly लिख देता हूँ मैं. Okay, so find form vector A. So 2, minus 1 and 4. This vector form, or this is also coordinate form. Coordinate form is change to vector form. Okay, I, j, k, first, second, third. And vector B, this is L, M, N equal to 1 and 2 and minus 1. So Cartesian form x minus x1 upon L, y minus y1 upon m, and z minus z1 upon m. This implies putting x minus x1. This x is a vector R. Okay, x1 is a x1 y1 is a vector A. Element vector B. x1 2 upon L 1 equal y minus y1 plus 1 to minus 1 minus plus 1 upon 2 equal z minus 4 upon minus 1. That's your answer. This is a Cartesian form, which is the equation of Cartesian form, right? Okay, next, and question number 8. Question number 8, and all are simple. Okay, 10 and 11 question deleted according by the CBSE. Question number 8. Find the vector and Cartesian form. Again question, vector and Cartesian form. This question is question number 5. 5 is also given as a vector form to change to vector and Cartesian equation, and this question is given to Cartesian form, so change the equation of line vector and Cartesian form. Equation line from passing through origin and vector 5 minus 2 and 3. So passing through vector A equal to 0 vector, and x1 y1 z1 equal to 0, and parallel, so parallel vector B equal to vector B minus vector A. Okay, so 5 minus 0 and minus 2 minus 0 and 3 minus 0, that is vector B equal to 5 minus 2 is also given, right? And find vector form. Vector form. Vector R equal to vector A plus lambda vector B. Putting this 0 plus lambda vector B, 5i minus 2j plus 3k. Change in ijk form is a vector form. Okay. Vector R equal to lambda, 5i minus 2j and 3k. That's your answer. And Cartesian form, very simple. X minus x1 upon L, y minus y1 upon m, z minus z1 upon n. This implies putting x minus 0, L equal to 5, y minus 0 minus 2, z minus 0 upon 3, or x upon 5, y upon minus 2, z upon 3. That your answer in a Cartesian form. Clear? Next, question number 12. 10 or 11 deleted from CBSE board. Okay. 12 question number. Find the value of P. Important question. We mostly repeated this question in board examination. Find the value of P if given lines 1 minus x upon 3, 7y minus 14 upon 2p, and equal to z minus 3 upon 2, and 7 minus 7x upon 3p will be equal to y minus 5 upon 1 equal to 6 minus z upon 5 are at right angle. Right angle means both line perpendicular to each other, L1 perpendicular L2, means L1 L2. Find L1 M1 L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 equal to 0. Use this formula. Okay, so change in equation of Cartesian form. This is a minus 1 minus x. No, change in x minus. So this x minus 1 upon minus 3 divide by minus. Okay, this change to y. The common 7 change to this. So y minus 2 upon 2p upon 7 change. Okay, divide. This is already same question, same, but sign or this are change of form of x minus x1, y1 minus y, z minus z1. This is right upon 2. And second equation, this the change of sign is minus or take common 7. So 7x minus 1 common upon 3p upon 7, this minus. Okay, or y minus 5 is right, and this take common minus z minus 6 upon minus 5. So comparing equation a1 x1, sorry L1 equal to minus 3, L1 M1 equal to 2p upon 7, and 1 equal to 2. This L2 equal to minus 3p upon 7, M2 equal to 1, or N2 equal to minus 5. According formula, putting minus 3 multiply minus 3p upon 7 and 2p upon 7 multiply 1 plus 2 into minus 5 equal to 0. This is minus 9p p upon 7 and 2p upon 7 minus 10 equal to 0. Clear? And take LCM. This 11p upon 7 equal to 10 and 11p equal to 70, then p equal to 70 upon 11. That's your answer. Okay. Next question 17 are simple. Find the shortest distance. Shortest distance. Okay. And this question change in vector form. 1 minus ti plus t minus 2j plus 3 minus 2t k. And second equation s plus 1i plus 2s minus 1j and minus 2s plus 1k. Okay. So change in this form a plus in form vector r equal to a plus lambda b vector form. Although t is common, the coefficient constant are in mix in the ijk. So or vector r equal to first equation ijk I minus 2j and plus 3k plus t common, so minus I and this j plus j and minus 2j, okay, and minus 2k, and change in second equation I minus j and minus plus minus k plus s constant I and plus 2j and this minus 2k. Okay, a b c are also given. Vector a1 equal to I minus 2j plus 3k. Vector a2 equal to this I minus j minus k, and vector b1 this first minus I plus j minus 2k, and vector b2 I plus 2j minus 2k. Find vector a2 minus vector a1. I minus this 0 minus j minus plus j away minus a minus 4k. Okay, and vector b1 cross vector b2 find here. Determinant formula I, j and k. I first minus 1, 1 and minus 2, 1, 2 and minus 2k. This minus 2, okay, this. So ijk minus 2 minus minus plus 2i minus j this 2 plus 2 4 minus 4j and k this. So minus 2 this minus 2 minus 2 minus 3k. Okay, shortest distance formula d equal to b1 cross b2, okay, dot vector a2 minus vector a1 on magnitude of vector b1 plus b2. Okay, so find magnitude vector b1 cross b2 is also under root 4, 16 and 9. This will be equal to 29. Putting this formula, okay, d equal to this b1 cross b2 dot vector a2 minus vector a1 upon magnitude of vector b1 cross b2 and this. Putting this aijk already given to 2i 2i minus 4j minus 3k and dot a2 minus a1 j minus 4k determinant upon this value is under root 29, so equal to d equal to 2i j 0 and minus 4, this 4 minus 4 and 4 plus 12 upon under root 29. This will be equal to plus 8 upon under root 29 will be equal to this same value, positive value. This is the shortest distance of given two line. Okay, thank you. Complete